Hi, I'm Laura from Everyday Adventurous Images, and this is a video tutorial series on creating bespoke movement artwork with Snapseed. In the series, I'm going to share with you all of my hints, tips, and photo editing secrets on how to turn shots like these into works of movement art like these. So, how does it work? The series comprises of 8 video tutorials split into 3 parts. In the first part, creating your image, step-by-step guides will show you how to use Snapseed to stitch together your photos to create the 3 different types of movement images that I use most often: burst shots, shadow shots, and echo shots. In the second part, adding style, are 3 guides dedicated to using the looks and editing tools within Snapseed to create your own signature styles, including a dedicated guide to creating colour splash images. In the third part, Getting Technical, are 2 bonus guides which will help to make your photo editing life so much easier. These guides will enable you to consistently produce high quality edits in a fraction of the time. This is Tutorial 8, Creating Looks. Learn how to create and save your own looks to use again and again. Remember back in Tutorial 4 when we learnt all about using Snapseed's pre-saved looks. In this tutorial, you'll find out how to create looks of your very own that you can use again and again to save precious time and create consistently high quality images. You're going to learn how to create your own look, save your look, use your look, and manage your very own looks. Okay, so let's get started. Let's create your very own look. We're going to combine some tools to create our very own dramatic look for this burst image. So first of all, we're going to tap Tools and then tap HDRscape. Now we could change the style and the filter strength, but for now I'm just going to accept the defaults and tap the Done tick. Next we're going to tap Tools again, and this time tap Drama. Again, we could change the style and the filter strength, but I think this looks pretty good, so I'm going to accept the defaults and then tap the Done tick again. Then we can tap Tools again and tap Vintage. There are loads of vintage styles and variations to play with, but I'm sticking with the default one here and tapping the Done tick. Last of all, we can tap Tools again, scroll down the Tools menu until we find Lens Blur, and then tap Lens Blur, which is on the right hand side. We can then use 2 fingers to move and pinch the lens blur outlines. I want to make sure that the outside of the image is blurred, whilst the subject in the middle remains in focus. So I just move the lines right to the outside edge of the screen. And then once we're happy, tap the Done tick. And that's our dramatic look completed. Once we're happy, we can tap Export and choose a saving option. I'm going to choose Export. Now you've created a look, you can go ahead and save your look so that it is available for you to use again on a different image. Right after we've exported our image, we can save our look. We do this by tapping Looks and then scrolling along to the end of the Looks menu by swiping a finger to the left. We can then tap the plus icon to save this look and then type in the name of your look. I'm going to call this one Drama, and then you can tap OK. Your new look will be saved in the Looks menu with a tiny thumbnail of the image used to create it, and it will be available for you to use whenever you want. Top tip. If you create a great look but forget to save it while your image is still open, then you do get one more chance to save it. When you open a new image, Snapseed offers you the chance to use Last Edits. By tapping Last Edits, this will apply all of the edits you used to make up your look to your new image. And then you can go right ahead and save the look just as we've done here. Now you've saved your look, it's there waiting for you to apply it to any image you like in the future. Here's how. To use your look, simply open a photo, like this one here, then tap Looks, and scroll along the Looks menu until you find the one you're looking for. You'll see that Snapseed's pre-programmed looks all show what your photo would look like when that look is applied to your image. Whereas your own looks, the ones that you've saved and named, as you can see I've got quite a few here, show the original photo for which that look was created. So we can see that our drama look is at the end, so we can tap it to apply it. And there you go, that's applied all of the edits to this image. And then tap the Done tick. And there we go. Once we've applied the look, we can either make further edits, view the edits and adjust them, or go right ahead and export and save our image. Now you know how to create, save and use your own looks. It's useful to know how to manage your looks within Snapseed so that you can rename or delete any looks that you no longer use. To manage your looks, simply scroll along to the end of the Looks menu and tap the three dots icon. This opens up the Manage Looks screen. You can then scroll down to find the look you wish to manage. Our drama look is right at the bottom. Then to rename a look, you can tap on the pencil icon next to the name. Then type in a new name. We're going to change drama to dramatic and then just tap OK. And you'll see that's changed in the Manage Look screen. If you no longer require a look, then you can delete it by tapping the Delete icon. If you change your mind and want to undo the delete, just tap Undo straight away. This message only stays on screen for a few seconds, so you have to be quick. And that's it. Now you know how to create looks of your very own that you can use again and again to save precious time and create consistently high quality works of movement art. You now know how to create, save, use, and manage your very own looks. So, what next? Now you've completed the Creating Looks tutorial, and that's it. Congratulations for sticking with it and getting to the very end of the series. Now you know everything that I know about creating your very own bespoke works of movement art. Now what? Now it's time to get creative. Share your images on Instagram using the hashtag #MoveSnappers. I'd love to see your shots and I'll happily give you pointers on there too. And if you want my help creating bespoke images from your photos, just head on over to the website everydayadventurous.com/images to commission me to create your very own work of movement art. Bye for now, Move Snappers!